appetizer of the year, Shaq Shackelford tells us why other restaurants just don't stack up against this one around town.
Oklahoma Magazine voters named Waterfront Grill's Crab Mango Avocado Stack Appetizer the best of the year.
And I just thought the Waterfront Grill really needed a signature dish, really to set it apart from everybody else. And so we just got in the kitchen and started playing around, and here we are.
We were surprised to see how this beautiful creation is constructed. With a PVC pipe, stuffed jumbo lump crab meat, fresh Hass avocados, and mangoes into it. Refrigerate and push it out with a bottle. It's topped with a remoulade, fancy word for seasoned mayonnaise, red peppers, and bacon. But the beauty only lasts until it gets to your table.
You're supposed to tear the appetizer apart and get all the three ingredients combined together in your bite.
A little bit like a salad-y to it, because you get that fruit, and then the avocado, and then the crab. That's fantastic, Jimmy.
It must be. He sold more than 20,000 in 2 years.
Around the holidays, we most often think about mulling cider, but mulling wine is proving to be a big success for a downtown bar.
Valkyrie is a chalkboard bar, meaning the cocktail menu always changes. Its holiday creation, mulled wine, using Cabernet Sauvignon and cognac. To mull, by definition, means to heat, sweeten, and flavor with spices.
We make a spice satchel of fresh whole ingredients, and we wrap it up and we let that steep in the hot wine for about a half hour until it gets nice and spicy.
The spice satchel includes cinnamon, cloves, ginger root, lemon peel, orange zest, and nutmeg. Co-owner Aaron Post says it's made fresh daily and sold until it's gone.
When you're out, you're out, because it takes a long time to make, and you definitely don't want to serve this anything but absolutely fresh.
For The List, I'm Shaq Shackelford.